Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Freedom. In this video, I will be providing a price target where we can sell shares of Argo Blockchain, and I'll also be talking about the recent partnership with the DMG Blockchain. Guys, I will be providing you with 3 reasons and 3 graphs to justify my claim that in April, Bitcoin will break through its all-time high of 62,000 and then go higher. There is a lot to talk about, so let's get started. My first reason is the 20-day SMA, which is the yellow line in this graph. My second reason is the options data for Bitcoin. And the third reason is the stock to flow model and the stage that we are in the current Bitcoin cycle. I will be explaining each of these reasons in detail, and then I will explain how we can use this data to sell Argo at the right time and maximize our profits. If we have a look at the price action of Bitcoin over a 1-year time frame, then we can see that from the time Bitcoin went above 10,900 in this area, like after this time, it has not really gone much below the 20-day SMA. When Bitcoin reached 29,400 in this area, at that time, the 20-day SMA held a support. And then again on this Friday, March 26, Bitcoin went down over here till around 50,400, and the 20-day SMA has again held a support. Argo Blockchain is now at a share price of 3.1 in the OTC markets. In order to predict the price of Argo, we need to predict the price of Bitcoin. When Bitcoin reaches a target price, at that time we will be selling our Argo shares and locking in our profits. Guys, just wanted to ask something. It does take a lot of time and effort to make these videos, so if you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. We have seen Bitcoin bouncing off the 20-day SMA, and this has again happened now as Bitcoin has come back up to around 56,200 from the low of 50,400 on Friday. Last week, everybody was getting worried that Bitcoin may go down to 41,000 or 42,000 over here, which was the previous support level. But now it does not seem that we are going to go down to those levels based on the price action. In the short term, Bitcoin may consolidate between 50,000 and 60,000 over here. But in the long term, Bitcoin will be going above its all-time high of 62,000. Bitcoin should be going above 62,000 in the first few weeks of April. My second reason is the options data. As we see here on this graph, on the last Friday of every month, the options are expiring. In October, we were just getting started with the Bitcoin bull run. And in every month before the options expiry, we have had a pullback. And then after that, we have started moving higher. Now in March again, Bitcoin came down to around 50,400, and then it has increased to about 56,200 as of now. So this trend seems to continue. My third reason is the Bitcoin price after the halvings. In blue, we have the current cycle. In green, we have the 2016 cycle, and in purple, it's the 2012 cycle. In yellow, we have the average of the 2 cycles. Earlier, the current cycle was outperforming the average, but we are now very close to it. We can clearly see that as long as this model and the trend holds, Bitcoin is getting ready for a move much higher and should be in the 70,000 range within the next few months. So now Argo is at a price of 3.10. When Bitcoin goes to between 70,000 and 74,000, I would sell half of my position in Argo. By that time, I do expect Argo to break through its all-time high of 4.65 and be close to the $5 range. I have been making videos on Argo on this channel from when it was 1.16. For those of you who are holding from say around 1.5, I feel we have to lock in our gains at some point, and I feel selling half of your position at this stage is a good idea. If there is a Bitcoin correction after the run up to 70 or 74,000, then you can buy back lower. Also, please remember that during the Bitcoin correction, Argo may come down considerably, and that may wipe out a lot of your gains. Argo Blockchain has also announced on Friday that it is launching a Bitcoin mining pool with DMG Blockchain, and this is going to be powered by clean energy. This pool will have both DMG and Argo's hash rate, and this is mainly generated from hydroelectric sources. Guys, the good thing about this is that it's going to decrease the impact of Bitcoin mining on the environment, as there is going to be a shift from conventional power to clean energy. There can now be creation of green Bitcoin in a sustainable manner. I am not a financial advisor, but I have been following the crypto and Bitcoin mining space from a while now, and based on my analysis, I'm trying to share my opinion with you. Well, that's it for this video. If you would like to support the channel, please subscribe and hit the like button. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.